guys, it's Kristen from blissmakes.com. I'm really excited to share how to decorate a stylish vignetted sideboard. Okay, so we're going to talk about flower arranging. For this particular project, I chose 3 different vessels to use. These 2 are going to offset each other on the buffet, and this one we're going to use for the centerpiece. The first step that I do is pick out a bunch of blooms, put them in the vase without cutting them or altering them at all, just to get a feel for what it's gonna look like. I like the way the yellow, the white, and the deep red all offset each other. Next, take them out and cut the stems. Take the wire cutters and bend the branches back and forth so it breaks up the plastic, and then apply pressure to finally cut the piece. These 2 pieces are gonna be flush up against the wall. So what we're gonna do is put our heavy pieces in the back, starting with our Delilah. These guys give a lot of character to the piece. Then I'm gonna add a couple of the daisies in, and then I'm gonna use our burnt orange leaves to fill in towards the middle. It doesn't always have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be even really symmetrical. And another really fun tip is to group flowers together. Otherwise, they have a tendency to get lost in the piece. And there's our second arrangement. The way you set up a vignette typically is to pick out 3 large pieces to balance everything else out. I went with our 2 flower arrangements, and then I added a large pumpkin in the center. And this is gonna dictate where all of the little pieces that we're gonna add next go. To add some warmth, I picked out 2 really cute candle holders from Michaels. The next piece that I'm gonna add are these little tiny porcelain pumpkins. The one thing you wanna remember when you're setting up a vignette is you actually kind of wanna sprinkle things throughout. Look for little holes. The last thing that we're gonna add to our vignette are some little fall leaves. These are just gonna add a super cute pop of color. Again, just looking for holes in the piece and making sure that we don't overcrowd it. And there we have our decorated fall sideboard, made by Kristen.